Today I'm going to show you a quick way to prep your timing belt. Like you're going to do a timing belt job or something like that. You find a little bit of oil or something in there. I'm going to show you a quick way so that you can prep that job, get the oil clean, get it out of the way, get the job clean and ready so that you can put the belt on. Those of you who have done a timing belt job know that you do not want oil on the belt or in the surrounding area because the oil will actually eat away the belt and shorten the timing belt life. So stick around, take a look, let me know what you think. Okay, so here we have a 2005 Chrysler Pacifica. We're doing a timing belt and water pump job on there. This particular job, you have to take the timing belt off to get to the water pump, as you can see there. But that's not what this video is about. If you need to see a timing belt job, check my channel. I have other videos about that. One thing I do want to point out to you is the markings. It'll make your job a lot easier when you're doing a timing belt job. Mark it, you know, so that you can see it clearly. A lot of people are like, oh, my eyes were good and I don't need to mark it, but if you mark it, then you can clearly see, like you see this one's off just a little bit. Of course, that'll be adjusted prior to final belt tensioning, as well as that one. And you want to start at top dead center. So we come down here at the bottom and you can see a lot of oil buildup down there. Okay, and I know someone on here is probably going to be like, well, how come you didn't mark the bottom pulley yet? And I'll tell you that in a second. But this video is not about doing the timing belt job per se. It's about prepping your timing belt area so that you can do the job good and don't have to worry about oil and debris falling in. All right, so the particular product we're going to use today is O'Reilly's Brake Parts Cleaner. And the reason I'm using the O'Reilly's Brake Parts Cleaner is because it works like crazy when it comes to oil. Now, I will tell you this stuff, you do not want to get this on your skin. You don't want to get this in your eyes. Wear proper safety gear when using this product because, you know, when you start spraying stuff, it's going to splatter. And I highly recommend some of these because if this stuff gets in your eyes, it burns like crazy. Not to mention, if you get enough in your eye, you probably won't see anymore. So, we're going to put these glasses on here because, as you can see, what we're going to do is we're going to be cleaning these surfaces down here, the metal surfaces. And the product, like I said, will tend to splatter. So, now, when I first bought and started using this product, what I would do is I would just fully blast and just, you know, spray it like crazy. And then I realized that it's a little bit more economical if you just take and wet the surfaces. Okay? Like so. Let it sit for a little bit. And then spray some more. Alright. Now, see that on the side there? Oh, that's covered in oil. And gook and grime and grease from, you know, it running. Look at the product though. If I can get a good spray in here. See there? Product. Here's your first hand view of it. Yeah. Yeah. See how we're cleaning that up? See that? Look down there. I mean, this stuff is like acid in a can. Or, as one person put on one of my videos, a can of Chuck Norris urine. Not good. If you ain't any stronger than anybody else, this stuff right here is great. Now, as you can see, it's going to eat away the oil. In just a second, I'm going to raise this car up so we can get a better view. Okay, so as you can see, down here at the bottom, we are eating this oil away. Got a little bit higher here, so there we go. I have this car on a lift, so currently I have it lifted up above my head, so that's why it looks like I'm spraying up from the bottom of the car, which I actually am, but also for demonstration purposes, as you can see here. See how that cleaner's running down over that oil pan? Cleaning all that oil and stuff away. Look at that. That oil, you want to get out of there because you don't want it on your new belt. So my motto, or my theory or thesis on this, or whatever word you want to use for it, is if you clean it up before you fix it up, most likely you won't have to do the job over, and the job will be done correctly and easy the first time. As you can see, how much cleaner this vehicle is. Alright, so until next time, YouTube, if you have any questions, comments, post. Look at that right there. I'm going to spray this down a couple more times and we'll get that off. Now, the other thing about this, the reason I said, your time belt job, this product will flash away pretty quickly or dry up pretty quickly, once it's, removed off the surface. In this case, it's running down the surface, falling down onto the concrete pad, where I've got some, absorbent to pick it up. But this will be clean and dry within a matter of minutes. Then you can go ahead and put your timing belt on and continue with your job, finish it up. I know some people, they like to take their time and, or some people don't clean their work, or I'll have some people that will be like, well, I didn't see the reason for needing to do all that. And later on they come back and, oh, my belt broke. Oh, your belt broke. Oh, okay. Well, what's on it? Well, there's oil and contaminants on it. Okay. That's the problem. So like I say, people, clean your work area, clean your work. Makes the job a whole lot better. It makes the job a whole lot easier. As you can see down there, I'm probably going to spray this down one more time. That was just one can of it, of the cleaner. And you can see from the start to the beginning, you can see how that metal just looks a whole lot better. It doesn't have that black oily grime and grease all over it. Alright, until next time, YouTube, if you have any comments or questions, post. Oh, and at the bottom, for those of you who are going to say something about this, I will be marking the bottom timing pulley down there. I can't get a good view of it. Hold the camera and the flashlight down there. It's not marked now, and the reason for it is because this product will eat away the paint. So you can paint in the beginning, then you go ahead and spray it down, clean everything. Oh my gosh, my marks are gone. So you want to spray it down, clean it first, then remark it, okay, and then proceed with your timing belt installation job. All right, any comments, questions, post, chat. Till then, till next time, YouTube, have a great day, and thank you for watching. Okay, so now that this is dried and clean, you can see the difference. And like I said, this product dries pretty quick, so that you can go ahead and get in there and do your job. You definitely don't want to put the belt on there while it's wet, because that creates other problems of like belt stretch and stuff like that. But now that you have your area clean, you can go ahead and put your belt on. I did remove the idler pulley because on this particular one, it gets a new pulley. It comes in the kit. As you can see, we have the new water pump on there. And now it's just ready for the timing belt, but like I said, I'm not going to do that. That's a different video. For a different segment, this is just cleaning and prepping for your timing belt area. So, try the product out. If you like it, use it. If you don't like it, let me know. Find something better, let me know. I'm always in searching and looking for better, cleaner products, but this one right here is pretty good and pretty hard to beat. Alright, YouTube, until next time.